silence by the shore, not needing less, just wanting more. You work the knots with callous grace while I watch shadows cross your face. No storms that broke us came as screams, they wore us down like salted beams. But here we are with thread in hand, trying to stitch what time unmanned. Mending nets in morning light, slow work but it feels so right. We patch with truth, we tile with care, no jagged holes are left in the air. Mending nets in morning light, it's not perfect, never was, but we're mending just because. There's seaweed tangled in our past, old regrets that still hold fast. But every loop you pull back in feels like a place we both begin. We don't say much, no need to preach. Some things words can't even reach. But when your hand brushes mine, that's more than any scripted line. Mending nets in morning light, slow work but it feels so right. We patch with truth, we tile with care, no jagged holes are left in the air. Mending nets in morning light, it's not perfect, never was, but we're mending just because. Once was torn might hold again, if given time and softer hands. Forgiveness isn't some grand leap,